Been not. Hold on. Say what? Say what? I'm on YouTube right now. I can't. I said I'm on YouTube right now. I can't do it. I said I'm on YouTube right now. And I'm back with another video, but y'all already know what's going on. But it's not a donation, but stop playing with me. Gonna be big one day. I just hit 3,000 subscribers. I know it ain't a lot, but it's something to do. You feel me? So you hit big jump. Look at the damn ice cream truck. Let me go ahead and get on the road. I'm giving y'all a little POV. Y'all already know. Y'all already know what's going on, bitch. Straight pipe. You see the color of it. I got a whole sunset on my car. Stop playing with them. Stop playing with Anna Ford's carbon stack. Stop playing with them. And I did it myself. Stop playing with them. I only spent about $500. That's it for a whole new paint job, but can't beat that. Look at the mirror, but I did the mirror too. Sitting on tour, and I got the louver. You already know. Insurance paid for all of it. You know, my fender came off, so the wheel came off. You already know. Whole wheel came off, and then knocked everything off. Insurance check hit hard. You feel me? So I paid for everything. Got a new fender, wrapped the whole car, diffuser, front splitter, back diffuser. I'm in the dough, bro. I'm back in the dough, bro. Better than ever, for real, for real. Let me go ahead and give you this footage real quick, though. Cause I know y'all been wanting that shit. I've been missing, I've been lacking, I've been busy for real, so I can't even get no content for real. And look at this, it's another busy day. What time it is? It is 5:25, so it is that 5 o'clock traffic. Am I shit in trap mode? Probably not. My shit in ego mode. Hold on. Push my shit real quick. Push my shit real quick. Let me get out the road real quick. Road race, no road race. Get the fuck out the way. Double tap. Double tap. There we go. Oh, I ain't gonna push it, cause my granddad, he gonna trip right there. I already know he gonna trip if I push that hoe. And I need some gas. I always need some gas, bro. I can't do this Scatpack shit no more. This shit take gas like fuck. I'm not my bad, my language, but this junk take too much gas, man. I stay running out of gas. I'm tired of this. Gonna give me a damn Tesla out there. That boy Chris? That is that boy Chris. And I'm in here with the damn Tahoe. Come on, man. Get the fuck on, bitch. I wanna push this hoe. Why would you slow down now? Come on, nigga, I'm trying to get it through that bitch. Like, yo, short ass. You too damn short to be driving that big ass van. I wonder if y'all can hear that shit burbling right though. Can you hear the exhaust doing that shit? I love that shit. From the outside though, that shit sound like thunder coming down the damn road. Big ass V8 by turbo. Ooh, that be hard. GLS 63. Is it really running though? I don't even know if that's the fast. Oh shit, it say AMG. It say AMG. I'm scared now. Yeah, and I ain't finna push that. Oh, it sound good though. I can't lie. I can't hear him though over my exhaust. Is he gonna push that hoe though? He not gonna push it. I already know it. I'm just keep the bit pushing. But I'm sorry, but my allergy acting the ass right now. Yeah, not finna wait through all that shit. Fuck no. This shit, bro. I always try to grab my damn phone and try to record, but I cannot do that. Ooh, time out. They kill Honda Elantra. That be lower that them get your dumb ass out the way. Yo, stupid ass. Why the fuck you trying to cut it in the last minute? Yo, stupid retarded ass. Now you stuck in the middle of the road. Dumb ass. Why these female can't drive, bro? These female, I'm on your shit, but you still back there in the middle of the road. Yo, stupid ass. Why the fuck would you try to cut in last minute? That shit stupid, bro. Time out though. I want to look at the damn Elantra out this mud, bro. That mud lower right. That mud low. Like, look at that shit, bro. Look at how that shit, bro. Bro, you got mine, bro. Oh, the Fitment 2.5 bit. The Fitment 2.5 bit. Once again, I'ma say it every time, bitch. GTA role play on the PlayStation 5. Stop playing with them. VR edition, this shit look real as hell. I know. I'm the only nigga with this game too, cause I made it, bitch. GTA 5. Nope, GTA 6 on the PS5. Early access. Don't them exhaust sound real? I know it do. Bumpy as hell. Let me stop. Ooh. Why the fuck is you going so slow? Why the 18-wheeler going in? Why the 18-wheeler going faster than you, fam? Using the Ultima, push that bitch to the limit. He ain't finna push that up. I wonder if I can get over it. Get in your lane. Too close, fam. I'm finna be on E by the time I get to the crib. There we go, smooth road, smooth sailing out there, mother. I'm not racing no type of BMW, fuck that. Why the hell the Nissan Road trying to keep up behind me, bro? What the fuck? It's already Nissan owners, bro. You Nissan owners be on that other shit, bro. Why this shit? Look at this ass, but you can't even see him. Hold on, can you see him? You probably can. Look at this ass, but slow your roll, big dog. You in the SUV. Stop playing with them. You gonna roll that motherfucker. Ah, shit, the BMW trying to push it out the hole. Slow your roll, my boy. I'm not doing it with your ass. I'm not doing it. I'm doing it. Oh, left his ass in the dust. I don't think he pushed it, though. Ain't no way in hell, boy. Big ass Challenger with the big ass rims on that hoe. I can't lie, he look like a. I'm not finna make it on race thing, but he did look kind of nine colored out there mud with the big ass rims on it. That's some new shit. Most of the time it be black folks with that shit. Oh yeah, he's trying to push that hoe. BMW on it trying to push that hoe. Oh yeah. He's trying to push that hoe. Nah, he ain't, man, what the fuck you playing? Nigga, you were gassing and then let off and then just chill. And then when I chill, that's when you gas it again. Uh-oh, is he gonna push that hoe though? He doing a little bit of something. Camry on him pushing it too? What the fuck? Big long, strong that gas. Let me stop playing with him. don't never be no police on the road. Now watch this shit. I just jinxed myself. In the next couple videos, I'm gonna get pulled over out this hill. Or I'm gonna keep running. Depends on if they catch my tag. What the fuck you got sticking out the back of your bed, big bro? What the fuck you got sticking out the back of your... Nigga, I just saw that shit last minute. What the hell? You got a big extra long deal though at that mug. Bro, what the fuck? I'm on your ass, bro. BMW, but I think he won't smoke, and I don't know. I don't know if he want to smoke or not, but he's just on my ass. He might be the feds, for real. Taking pictures of my license. This GTA anyway, though, so it don't matter. Oh, he on my ass, bitch. Alright, don't make me push that them mother nigga. I get active in there, hoe. Damn, they got police right though. Not on me though. I caught them ahead of time. I would be recording with the GoPro right now, but y'all told me that shit whack. Y'all told me the GoPro footage whack, so I gotta stay with the phone, you feel me? That's the best quality right now, and I can't lie, I agree with y'all. This phone shit is just fire. I might need to get me a 14 Pro, send that damn GoPro back, you feel me? Look at that, he pushing that hoe, ain't he? He pushing that bitch, spin that bitch. Let me stop before you flip that hoe. Oh my goodness. See how this shit say keep moving, if it don't, this shit don't say stop. I do need to get gas though. What is that? 392? Hell no. What is that? That look like a damn 392, and then at the same time like a damn RT. I'm not shitting on RT. Oh, they got a police right there. He ain't even do nothing over there. He ain't see me do shit, not a damn thing. Uh-oh. They go Mr. Dildo back there with the damn Silverado with the dildo sticking out the back. Hold on, let me stay if I can catch this shit. Let me ride. Let me slow down so I can catch this shit. Damn, fucked up ass bread car fucking up everything. Nigga, go around his ass. Stupid ass. Man, fuck no, man. He just fucking up my video, man. I can't even get his ass. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can. I'm gonna get my ass over. Stay in your lane, big dog. White car gonna hit me. Ah, shit, here he go. Here he go. Come on, nigga. Hurry up, nigga. Speed up. What the fuck is this red car doing? Dumbass. Man, folks be fucking up everything, bro. Dad can't drive for shit in the world, bro. Look at that. Now, what the fuck? Explain to me. Tell me what that is, bro. What the fuck is that? Ain't no way in hell that shit can be illegal, nigga. You knocking down everything. What is that, bro? Could it be workout equipment? I don't know. I don't fucking know. I'm gonna go first. Yeah, been not. Hold on. Say what? I'm on YouTube right now. I can't. I said I'm on YouTube right now. I can't do it. I said I'm on YouTube right now. Did you hear that shit? But he ghetto asshole. What the fuck? I hope they don't see me on the YouTube shit. Ooh, you gonna get exposed at this motherfucker. You gonna get exposed at this bitch. Let me stop playing, bitch. That bitch said, let me. What's the fuck she said? Said my girl said she wanna fuck with you. I said, oh no, I'm on YouTube. I'm on YouTube. That's my excuse. I'm on YouTube. I can't fuck with you, bitch. What the fuck? That hoe said, my girl said I wanna fuck with you. What the fuck? I'm sorry for my language, bro. My bad, bro. I just don't like hoes, but I don't like this shit at all. And I hope she don't see this video. I hope she don't see this video. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? What the fuck? It be these ghetto ass, nasty ass, dirty ass hoes. What the fuck? You see this on YouTube, that's your fault. I don't give a fuck. I really don't. You see this shit, that's your fault, you feel me? You should never approach me like that. My girl said she wanna fuck with you. Wait, no, I'm good. I'm good. I'm on YouTube. I'm good. I'm straight. Hell nah, bruh. Hell nah, bruh. You going viral, my boy. You going viral, bitch. You're going viral. Either Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok. It don't matter, bitch. You just tried to holler at me because I got a pink charger, and now you're going viral, bitch. I'm wicked fuck. She gonna find my ass, too. Ain't no way in hell, but she gonna find me and slap my tires. Like she a baby mama or some shit. Nigga, I don't even know that female. What the fuck? That shit made my... Bro. What the fuck? That shit made my dick go inside out. What the fuck? That shit nasty, bro. I'm not cutting none of this shit out either. YouTube just gonna have to demonetize me. Cause no. But I cannot do that. Hell nah. I'd never go that low. And then it wasn't even like, I ain't even finna say it. I ain't even finna start no shit. I ain't even finna say it. And just, she's not my type. she is not my type. I never, ever. Well, hell nah. That's a good spin spot for real, for real. Oh shit, I'm swerving all on the road and shit. You know what, man, let me go ahead and end this video, man. I know this got long now. I'm trying to drag this shit now. But shit, hey, y'all, bro, like, share, subscribe, bro. There's more content coming soon. As a matter of fact, I'm finna give me a little walk around, you feel me? Because of what I did to the car, I ain't even show y'all that yet. It took me about 4 days to wrap the whole car by myself, bro. And I did it. I'm the man, you know, I'm fine with that shit, you feel me? My name, I can't tell y'all my name. Y'all just gonna have to figure it out. But yeah, bro, not on nation, bro. He gonna be big one day. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below, whatever you want to. I will reply, you feel me? If you got any questions about anything, just let me know. And I'll get back, like, right back with y'all within a day. But anyway, shit, I'm for the head out of here, man. Y'all stay safe out here. And I'm out of here.